Alright guys, welcome back to Daddy Geek Garage. We're finally done sanding on the camper, so now it's time to start poor man's fiberglass. There, it's done! Alright, so we've got the glue mixed up 50-50, Titebond III and water. Now we're going to start applying it with the roller up on this top edge. Alright, so back to my research, I remembered that so this roller is just water, but it's going to help pull that glue through the fabric just by wetting it. I can already feel that it's pulling the glue through. I mean, it's laying down super nice. It's nice and smooth. I can tell it's getting a grip, but the water will just help pull the glue through the fabric a little bit. Now that we have it all stretched out, mostly wrinkle-free. I got a couple wrinkles down in the one corner, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Now I have to start rolling over top of this with some more of my 50-50 glue and water mixture. That's really going to start sealing things in and probably make more of a mess. Second sheet going on here, so I've got it draped over the side. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the top. Hopefully it's enough to keep it held in place so I can flip it up over and start working my way down. For the windows, essentially the same process. I went ahead and I made some relief cuts around the corners. We're going to glue it, stretch it around, staple it in place, just like we have everything else. camera reaches high enough to see up here, but this is the hard part. This is the compound radius that has made this project more difficult in every single step of it. So now is this, same thing, lots of challenges trying to get this to wrap smoothly and cleanly. A fair amount of overlap there. We have about an inch of overlap up there. This I'm less concerned with because it'd be really tall to ever see that. Which, when I look at my camera, the camera can't see it anyway, so you would have never known. See a couple wrinkles here. We're going to make another relief cut there, try to work those out. This piece wrapped inside really great. I got a little wrinkle here and there, but for the most part, it's really smooth. It's gonna seal it up great. I'm real happy with it. Makes a nice solid edge here. So, all right, guys, we are officially done with canvassing. This thing is all wrapped in canvas. It's dry now. All my edges are good. All my seams are good. Couldn't be happier with how well this turned out. It's super smooth. It's very strong. Definitely added to the structure of the camper. So, next step is getting this thing on the trailer. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you next time.